एक अल्फाबेट उठाइए. इधर इधर कम हेयर, कम फर्स्ट हेयर, कम come to me, come to me, Hers, come to me. Take an alphabet, take an alphabet. Hers, which alphabet is this?
Apple.
Like A. Bring an apple. Run and bring an apple. Wow. Keep it in the basket. Keep it in the basket. A. You also keep in the basket. Vinayak. Now your turn. Come, Vinayak. Now take an alphabet. Take an alphabet. Which alphabet is this? Which alphabet is this? W. W for? Go and bring. W for watermelon. Good. Keep in the basket. Good boy. Coco. Coco. Now your turn.
नहीं बेटा आइए इधर.
Which alphabet is this? C for cat. Where is cat? Cat. Good. Keep it in the basket. Keep it in the basket. Basket. Very good. Stuti, come. Stuti, come. Take an alphabet. K for kite. What is take? K. Go. And K for? What is here? What is in the basket? K for? Kiwi. Keep it there. Good. Now, Hers, you come. Come, take an alphabet. Take. Which alphabet is this?
P.
P for?
Parrot.
Come. Run very fast. Take P. P for? Pineapple. Wow. Keep it in the basket. This basket. Very good. Vinayak, come. Take an alphabet. M for? Go there. Bring an object. M for? Mango. Very good. Keep it in the basket. Basket. Very. Take an alphabet. B for? Come. Coco, come here. Not there. Coco, come. Object is there. B for? Banana. Keep it there. Very good. Stuti, now your turn. Come. Take an object. G. Grapes. Go and run. Grapes. Very good. Keep it in the basket. Very good. Hers. Now your turn. Come. Which alphabet is this? O. O for? Orange. Keep it in the basket. Very good. Sit there. Go and sit there. Clap. Everybody clap. Very good. Clap. Hers. Clap. Very good. Vinayak, clap. Very good.